Hello, I'm James and thanks for joining me on Kalkine TV for the top ASX buzzing stocks for the day. Let's take a look at 5 ASX listed stocks that are making news. Woolworths Group has today released its 2022 sustainability report, which highlighted 3 key achievements. Woolworths highlighted that its community contribution is at 1.85% of earnings before taxation, a 2-year rolling average. The company also reduced its Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 31% below the 2015 baseline, and Woolworths Group also managed to reduce its virgin plastic packaging by 10,000 tonnes compared to the initial baseline levels. Woolworths also announced yesterday that MyDeal.com has completed its shareholder vote relating to being acquired by Woolworths. A total of 99.89% of the votes cast by the scheme shareholders were in favour of the $243 million transaction, which will see Woolworths acquire a 80% stake. Today, Woolworths shares traded at $36.90, up by 0.081%. Moving on, and the multi-branded food retail company Restaurant Brands New Zealand today announced that the Group Chief Executive Officer, Russell Creedy, and Group Chief Financial Officer, Grant Ellis, will both be retiring from the company in 2023. Mr. Creedy will retire on March 31 and Mr. Ellis will finish up on May 31. According to the company, under the leadership of these two men, Restaurant Brands has consolidated its presence in the quick service restaurant market. The company also said that the board of directors will commence a search process for both positions rather soon. Also making news, and gold mining company Northern Star Resources today announced that Sarah Riley has been appointed as Joint Company Secretary effective immediately, in addition to her continuing role as the Senior Legal Counsel. Ms. Riley has held the positions of Senior Legal Counsel and Assistant Company Secretary with Northern Star since 2018. The company also said that Hilary McDonald will remain the Company Secretary responsible for communications between the company and the ASX. Today, Northern Star shares traded at $7.22 Australian, down by 1.84%. Also making news today is the ASX-listed company DroneShield, who today announced that it has been selected for the Australian Department of Defence Intelligence, Surveillance, Reconnaissance and Electronic Warfare Standing Offer Panel, which is also known as the ISRU. The panel covers a range of services to support the design, development, integration and acquisition of ISRU equipment. Commenting on the recent development, DroneShield's CEO Oleg Vornik said that in addition to their rapidly growing counter-drone business, the ISRU work is a highly complementary and adjacent market. They've already had real experience in the space through their second electronic warfare contract with the Australian Department of Defence, as well as an ISR contract with the Defence Innovation Hub. Today, DroneShield shares traded at 17 cents, up by 3.03%. And lastly, Australian-based technology solutions provider Link Administration said that the second court hearing in relation to the proposed acquisition of Link Group by Dye & Durham Corporation by way of a scheme of arrangement is scheduled for 9:15 a.m. Sydney time on the 9th of September. However, Link Group has applied for and obtained orders to adjourn the second court hearing to instead postpone it to Thursday the 15th of September to allow additional time to receive regulatory approvals, which are conditions precedent to the scheme. Today, Link Administration shares traded at $4.20, down by 0.12%. Alright, that's all for this edition of the top ASX buzzing stocks of the day. Another episode is coming your way tomorrow, and until then, make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James, signing off for now.